Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding? NQ, plus 1 touch. I am not losing money. I am spending it. Big buy. Big buy. Big sell. Big buy. Big buy. Big buy. Big buy. NQ, weekly +1 touch. Big buy.
Holy shit, that's some buying, huh? My auto swap does not work properly. Alright, opening drive, a lot of buying.
NQ, +2 touch.
Q +2 touch. We're at +2 on the day. Would love to see something like this. Using half an hour.
Big sell.
Now we've built a node right here. This usually means uptrend for the day.
You You need to insert conscious thought into your trading.
Yep.
Big sell. Some signs of absorption, pretty heavy one. Went from 700 to 200, but price did not budge. Not yet anyway. This could be a good spot for a reoffer if we were to continue building out this node. Big buy. Big buy.
But buying at +2 on the day is not something I want to do. So we sold off at 500. 470 is the monthly Vwap. 470 somewhere here. And we sold off at 500. Why not? This looks like it wants to continue higher. LVN at 400. Oh, we just retested the 0 mark. I didn't even notice that. Went from 0 to 600 in this tiny little move, so there's definitely a lot of resistance. Monthly Vwap is at 470. Let's see what's going to be happening here. Will be patient. I will not. First they need to show their hand. Weekly +2 is at 500, so that's also a good mark. So there's some confidence for a potential turning point. 470 is mostly Vwap. Weekly +2 is at 500. So there's some strong buying right here. It didn't pay off. I mean, not yet anyway. There was a strong selling, didn't go anywhere compared to this push up. Strong selling got absorbed. Now the buying got absorbed. Now the selling gets absorbed. Or, I mean, it's out of whack, I don't know. We're back to almost zero. What was this? 25 points. Not bad.
Big sell. Big sell. Big buy.
Big sell, big buy. Nothing for me yet. Would love to see push back up and then a turn to the downsides. +2 is sloping down now. This buying got shut down. I mean, we are technically above Vwap on the day.
Big buy.
Imbalanced up on the day as well on ETH day. I would love to see something like this. Whoa. That's some buying coming in again, not moving price that much. That's fucking crazy lifts. Way up there. We still haven't broken the high. Quite a lot of bits stacking right here. Did we tag this LVN? I guess you can see so. I don't know.
Big sell. The moment you stop feeling that respect for what you could lose, you're already on your way down.
Thank you, Derek. I am curious about this. I mean, I'm kind of ignoring the fact that we have a lot of buying, but it didn't go anywhere. On the day we are at an extreme. I'll be looking for something like this now. Don't want to overstay my welcome though. I'm in. It didn't swap colors yet. Some spike in activity, that's for sure. A lot of selling getting absorbed. Is it going to crack? A little bit. Cracking a little bit. Would love to see bar after bar after bar action.
Big buy.
Looks like it's
Big
not gonna
buy.
happen. Again, crazy fucking buying coming in. If this gives, I just need to time it correctly. This build up is crazy. I'm gonna get stops, most likely. Yep, no problem.
Big buy. Big buy.
Some crazy buying, again not getting rewarded at the moment. It might. We might run this stop and reverse. Nope. 1400 on the day, this was a crazy push. We are at an extreme for RTH and ETH. We're above my little line. Let's see the 500 mark. That's +2 on the week. We stalled off from 506. We're above monthly Vwap, but it's too early to tell. There's no acceptance.
NQ +2
Doesn't mean
touch.
acceptance yet.
NQ weekly +2 touch.
Wow.
Big sell.
Relentless buying. I want to change my culture.
Big sell.
Wow.
Big buy.
That is crazy. Now I want to see something like this. Show of hand and the retest. Not gonna read that on the first sign of sellers.
Big sell. Add only to winners. Big sell.
Again, a lot of absorption.
Big buy. Big sell. Big sell.
I'm not sure why would I want to fade this.
Big sell.
A lot of selling.
NQ plus 2 touch.
We are imbalanced, but that's a bullish sign. Positive delta on the day, that's a bullish sign. Crazy move up, bull sign. Above weekly Vwap, monthly Vwap, bull sign. Above +2 on the week, not so good because we are at an extreme. At an extreme for the day, for the session. So it's either fading or looking for pullback. Looking for pullback would be my preference.
Big buy. Big sell.
Just of the way that the volume profile is being built. Had very little volume. We are like technically on the months. On the monthly, there's still some way to go if we want to traverse developing value up to 680. But on the week, we are a bit of extreme. Oh yeah, and we have news in 10 minutes. Forgot about that. Maybe this is the move for the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Is this does not look very convincing at the moment. What if I put like a gray color? Something like this. Not bad. Same for most line. Oops. The line can be a bit brighter. And one turn off. Should I try this one more time? Something like that. Not convinced, but okay, doesn't matter. Oh yeah, news in 8 minutes, hello. Hello, that's stupid. That's not it. Let's wait for the news. There's definitely some selling absorption from the bids. Would like to sell right here, but it's a little not as good of a move as I would like it to be. Something like this is what I want to see. Nice push up.
Most traders think they lose because their
Pull back
analysis is
and go.
wrong. That's not it. They lose because their position is wrong.
That's it. This is not deep enough. So I would have been in. Let's ignore the news, let's say. So ever since this downwards move on the delta, we did not
Big
make
sell.
any progress in price. And that's way too strong for my liking to say that, oh, it's absorption, we're gonna continue higher. This looks like action is coming to the downside. So I would have still been in, let's say from here. Stop was somewhere here, I think. We are touching RTH +1, so that's a good spot for a bounce back up. If we are trending, and we are trending, but you know, every trend comes to an end at some point. So here's the first LVM potential to bounce. This could also something interesting. Yeah, interesting pump up on this move. 120 points, and all of this selling. We barely made any progress. So it looks like a flag to me, if anything. Hard to tell. I mean, what the fuck? Okay, 4 minutes until news. So what is this? 20 points in
Big
the
buy.
money, and then a stop. Yeah, it's just not enough. Not enough downside move. Plus the delta, plus, you know, imbalanced up, notice build. But point of control is here now. That usually means we're gonna accumulate, and then dump. Will it happen? I have no fucking clue. Can it happen? Yes. So let's see. All this selling might just get squeezed, and then sellers covering to propel us even higher. For 72, that's the monthly Vwap. Okay, 3 minutes. Why is time ticking slower when I'm waiting for this shit to clear?
Big sell.
So was this it? Was this the move I'm looking for? For the turn? I don't know. Not a lot of buying anymore. I mean, selling didn't get rewarded so far. But where's the aggressive buying now? One minute until news. Nice. Yeah. So we stopped like this, +2. Okay, let me remove this line. This +2, we've been riding it. Okay. A little
Big
pump
buy.
up.
Big
We're
buy.
gonna continue. That's pretty strong. All this selling got nowhere,
Big
so
buy.
we're probably going to continue pushing.
Turn FOMO into JOMO. Joy of missing out.
That's right. Hindsight. If we don't continue pushing, this looks exhaustive. Complete, so to speak. We are at an extreme. ETH and RTH, not a lot of volume here. At an extreme for the week. We went from -2 in the week to +2. That's crazy. Which is what? 600 points. Nice. Okay, a little bit from the sellers. Don't know why I want to fade this, but I do. We did bounce sort of +1 on the day on RTH session. That was cool. Yeah, it's difficult. We have this, don't know how to call it. It's not LVN, it's low volume volley. Low volume fucking Grand Canyon over here. That's a sign in itself, honestly, to not look for sells. Quite a divergence, not gonna lie. Which has been a theme for the whole week today, this week. Divergence in delta versus price movement. It's been quite nasty. Okay, this is interesting. We're back at +1. We didn't push any higher. This looks exhaustive. Well, complete, so to speak. In the profile lingo. To my eyes, of course. Something like this would be nice. But I need now to push up and then reverse. For me to catch a bid would probably be around here. Buying here I don't want. This is nice to see. Can we get a little attempt to go back up? And then sell off to Vwap or to -1 or to this LVN or fill this up a little bit. That'll be nice. Some buying absorption from the sellers. Can we get a little push up and then turn around? That would be lovely. Creating a lower high in the process. Turning and fill out some of this stuff to Vwap or -1, whatever. Don't go without me though, okay? I mean, it's not a good look for buyers, especially these buyers. All
The
this
moment
selling,
you
they're
stop
still
feeling
holding.
that
This
respect
doesn't look
for
like a
what you
stop
could
run.
lose, you're already on your way down.
All of this feels like they're still there, still pressing, obviously. Please, man, don't go without me, okay? Just give me a little something. I don't want to take it as is. Alright, there's some attempt from buyers from this LVN. We are back in from this LVN. We are back in RTH value. It's good news. If I want to take short, I would love to see this, please. I mean, is this it? Is this it? Should I? Am I in FOMO right now? I'll wait first. Sellers are not done. I mean, is this the last resort from the buyers? Someone just showed up and pulled it up a bit. 200 watts on the bid. It's gonna get filled.
Big sell.
It did. I mean, if it gives, it's gonna give hard. Because whoever is supporting price through all this selling, if they run out of money, it's gonna drop. But can you give me just the pullback? No.
Big buy.
I mean, there's still opportunity for buyers to balance from this spot. Points. Meh. Well, it didn't give me a pullback. Can still bounce, although don't see any potential looking at this delta. Need some aggression. Yeah, this little attempt was all buyers had in that moment, obviously. Can it still do something like that? Yes. Will I take it? Yes. We're within value, developing value. So maybe a little retest, even up to here. Continue pushing down.
Anything can happen. NQ, weekly +2 touch. Big buy.
Yeah. Tough. We found some buyers from the zero mark. Some aggressive buyers, actually. I mean, that's something that I was looking for to begin with. If we can... just one candle, give me two. Should I? Selling here at this LVN is not very good. Give me a bit more, yeah? And then go. I mean, there are wicks. I'll try it. Who gives a fuck? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Looks like it's not going to work. Or oops. Yeah, looks like it's a stop out. Or any sellers? Sellers nowhere to be found. Looks like it's a stop. Or just pick a side already, Jesus Christ. Figure it out, guys. I mean, we are at ETH +1, so technically this can happen. Okay, a little something.
If there is no
coming in.
pullback, there is no trade.
A little something.
NQ, +1 touch.
A little something, you know, to put on a piece of bread. A little excitement. Aggressive sell-off. Will it last? Don't know.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding?
We were imbalanced for a bit. Now we ran out of steam. For now, I mean, anything can happen and change in an instant, so... Sellers are not done. If this little absorption breaks, it can have some legs for sure. Seems to be holding at the moment. Not good. Vwap is what, somewhere here. So, are we gonna move somewhere, or are we gonna, you know? We're gonna go down, or? Okay, that's great. Yeah. Ever since this little blip been going down, no buying to be found so far. Aggressive buying, that is.
Big sell.
Love to see that. Some buying coming in. Strong selling.
Big buy.
Oof, I do feel bad a little bit. Can this shite get filled?
Big sell.
All right. All right.
Big buy.
Pretty happy about that one. Little 3-to-1. Little 3R. I mean, granted I lost 1 hour, but hey, what can you do?
Big buy. Opportunity is sometimes present. Most often, it isn't.
That's right. Damn, did I bottom exit it? Bottom tick. Yeah, I would be fucking sad right now if I didn't exit.
Big sell.
Some more aggressive selling coming in.
Big sell.
Well, come on, bro. I guess this is where RTH Vwap is somewhere here. Okay, so I am going to get my journal going again. Account, delete, create your first account. So today's DRC. Wait. I did check. I didn't do it with this. Let's be honest. I mean, I kinda did talk about weekly extreme. So yeah. Anyway, doesn't matter. Import.
Big sell. NQ. Plus one plus two touch.
Successfully imported trades. Okay, I need to adjust our value. Or oh yeah, no, it's correct. 120. Wait, eh? Today's 19. Oh yeah, there you go. -1, +3. Pretty good. Loss review. Let's review the loss. Let me just take a screenshot. Why it's not opening? Huh. Okay, whatever. Paste the screenshot. No, man. 19. Mental game A. Didn't move my stop loss. Waited for the setup. Technical game, I am going to even go ahead and tap myself at the back.
Big sell.
Because, well,
Big buy.
because I waited a decent amount. I saw this little blob.
You will grow more as a trader from the things you do outside of actual trading.
True. I saw this exhaustive action. I mean, can it go back up? Absolutely, anything can happen. But I waited for this little sell-off. So a bunch of selling on cumulative delta. Then we did have these two attempts, 4,000 volume from the buyers to push the price up, ran out of steam. I like to get in with the stop, buy stop, sell stop. I like the idea of letting the market to take me in the direction where it's going. Suboptimal fill, one might say, but
Big buy.
I want to get in on the turn as the turn is happening. I don't want to predict that it's gonna happen here while the candle itself is blue and it's not in my favor. I want to get in when the candle starts becoming red. And then it does bar after bar after bar, bar after bar after bar. Similar here, let's say I was looking for a long here. I don't buy here hoping that it's gonna go up. I want to see something in my favor. That's why I like the idea of letting the market take you in. Similarly here, I waited for this push to happen first, then a little pullback, then it started turning. It didn't work out. Okay, that's it. And this one did. And I bottom ticked the exit. Lovely. Anyway, what did I do well today? Mental was good. The sell respected. Waited for this sequence to occur. What can I improve on? In the first trade, there was a lot of things against my short thesis. Not every... Okay, 1 second. All good, all good. Not every sequence should be taken in isolation. A look at cumulative
Big sell.
delta. I mean, it was good. I think it was good. Yesterday we sold off hard from the kind of the same amount of action. Oh well. How can I actually improve it? Do not ignore the information against you. Just let the trade go if there are too many signs pointing in the opposite direction, conflicting with the thesis. Not every move needs participation. Something like that. Markers reviewed. I mean, not bad, not bad. 1 R, 3
NQ,
R.
plus 1 touch.
I want more? We did bounce from right here. But I mean, the buys are out of the question. The sales are for that. A lot of things need to happen. Need to continue pushing up, then we need to push down, then we need to push back up, and then we need to go down. So that's gonna take a while. For buys, buying right here is not something I want to do at +1. We are no longer imbalanced on the RTH session. On ETH session, we're also at +1. As a matter of fact, it's a good re-offer opportunity on ETH. Some bids stacking. Anyway, no, that's it. I think it was a good day. That's it for me, GG.